Yeah, damn, take a look, guys. Take a look at this. Oh, snaps, the McLaren. Right now, I got my little one on my hands, so I wish I could clean these up, but I don't have time. I mean, I have the time, but I can't. I'm unable. But, yeah, definitely. Let's take a look at that one. Damn, somebody was here desperately, and they just created a whole mess. Oh, man. I mean, I know for sure I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna have to go and get my wife, because this is a great haul. I mean, yeah, definitely no supers, no damn, I'm in an uncomfortable position because I got, like I said, my kid, and I don't wanna, man, let me just go to my wife, and I'll be back to the Hot Wheels. Yeah. Well, I found a cart halfway, but damn. Yeah. Let me make this as fast as I can. Ah, great. Alright, here we are. Vroom, driving like maniacs through the aisles, huh? Be careful, he's like holding on super tight. Take a look. Like I was saying, man, somebody was here and they just made a big, huge mess. Alright. Yeah. Take a look. This is the treasure hunt. Damn, on the floor. So this is what the okay. Oh man, let me get all these back on the pegged, and then I'll show you guys. All right, so this is more like it. Kind of made it cleaner, but yeah, man, I definitely came because of the red editions, especially this one. But I am gonna work some trades, and man, there's just a lot of goodies over here that I hadn't seen. Yeah, the L case. The L case was the Centenario one. Oh yeah, man, take a look. And I'm gonna kind of sort them out. That way I'm not taking too many of the same one. But yeah, you guys, oh man, I had not seen this one right there. Had not seen this one right here. This is from the L case. Even though it came out, I think, on the K case, but I had not seen it. Oh man. All right, I will make sure to leave red editions for more people. All right, man, I'm gonna just put them all to the side, cause yeah, man, look at this Miata. I think I only grabbed one last time. Man, I'll put them over here real quick. I'm all over the place, man. I'm getting impatient. I'm actually thinking of going live. I already went through there. I think I went through there and I was right here. Take a look at this one. This is nice. My son, my 3-year-old, he loves the airplanes. He really enjoys them. And so, Mustang. This one looks nice, but that's it. It just looks nice. Hot Wheels Rescue. This one is also new. I had not seen it. And man, I don't know if I had the spider. Alright, that's better. Siéntate. Siéntate. ¿Qué pasó? Siéntate. So yeah, I just gave the kid to my wife, and I came back and somebody was already hunting. But luckily enough, they also had little kids and they were being loud. They see me with a camera, so they just kind of like step aside, which was kind of nice. And but he did took some that he wanted. I asked him if he wanted some of the ones I had. He said he would like that one, but he seen that it was a regular one, so he said I'll pass. But yeah, this is the haul. 2 of each for the red editions. I actually end up taking the Acura NSX. Take a look at the Avant, and then the BMW 2. Very nice, man. Take a look at the emblem on the hood. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but it looks nice. A nice touch. And then I got 2 of these Lamborghini Centenarios. Everybody's going nuts. I mean, I don't see what the big deal, but it is an exotic, and it is a new casting, so yeah. And I really like this paint job right here in purple. Damn, I do not like the wheels. I don't know, I don't like the combination. That maybe they were to be black, but I don't know, something about it I don't really like. And like you guys seen, I found this one on the floor. Fast bit hauler. And of course my battery is gonna die. This one is also clean. Very unique piece. And I need one more of these ones. This one's real nice. Other than that, I'm gonna rush it because like I said, my battery is gonna die. I really love this one right here. This one is very nice too. It's got the nice front and back tampos. Makes it look very realistic. I really like that. I'm taking another one of the 300 and red editions, Miata. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna go ahead and head out to another Target. Yeah.